Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Permatasari. My NPM is 20, 21, 22, 134. The Honorable Mrs. Nita Sarina Rulita Dewi, MPD, as a lecturer in the Quantitative Research course. On this occasion, I will explain about the research proposal entitled Increasing Vocabulary Using Electronic Dictionaries in Language Classroom. College Student Perception. The main topic in this presentation are Introduction, Literature Review, and Research Methodology. In the introductory section, the background is with exciting problems such as improving technology so that almost everything uses technology. In this day and age, learning has been done with technology. Therefore, the use of an electronic dictionary is very useful if we use it. One of the most significant challenges faced by students in learning a foreign language is vocabulary. Vocabulary has been recognized as a central point in learning any language. According to Yanti 2016, because without good vocabulary mastery, one will find it difficult to speak or even understand short text. Page 88. For that, learning vocabulary will be very effective if you use electronic dictionaries. According to Hakim et al. 2018, said using electronic dictionaries gives students more opportunities to acquire a greater understanding of the vocabulary used. Page 58. The research question for this research is the first, what is the student's perception in the use of electronic dictionaries in EFL learning? The second is how is the experience of students in use learning dictionaries in EFL learning? The aim of his research is to find out increasing vocabulary using electronic dictionaries in students of Siliwangi University in Tasikmalaya. The operational definition is about vocabulary and electronic dictionaries. Vocabulary is a word that is collected so that it has meaning, serves as a useful and fundamental tool for communication and acquiring knowledge. Gaining a lot of vocabulary is one of the biggest challenges in learning a second language. The electronic dictionary or online dictionary is the main dictionary today and is often used by students. This dictionary can be taken anywhere and can be opened anywhere easily. The significance of the research is that the researcher suggests that the result of this study can be an alternative strategy in teaching vocabulary in class. Besides that, it can also help students and teachers in learning in the classroom to facilitate learning English and can also help anyone, anywhere and anytime. The second part is literature review. According to Richards and Renandia, 2002, vocabulary is the core component of language proficiency and provides much of the basis for how well learners speak, listen, read, and write. In other words, good vocabulary mastery is very important for everyone who is learning a language because, besides grammar, it is always related to listening, speaking, writing, and reading. According to Nesi 2000, said the term electronic dictionary can be used to refer to any reference material stored in electronic form that gives information about the spelling, meaning, or use of words. The third part is the research methodology. In this study, researchers use a cross-sectional survey. This type collects information from a predetermined sample at only one point in time. Although the time it takes to collect data can last from a day to several weeks or more. According to ARI 2010, Questionnaire is an instrument in which respondents provide writing responses to question or mark items that indicate their responses. The researcher will give questions to class D student and then several people will be taken as representative of class D. The population in this study is class D English student of 2020 at Siliwangi University, Tasikmalaya. The sample of this research were taken by using cluster random sampling. Cluster random sampling here focus on English student in class D at Siliwangi University. The researcher will choose a student at random. This study used a questionnaire to find the result of increasing vocabulary using electronic dictionaries. Questionnaires will be given online using the Google form. Students will answer 10 questions with a scale of strongly disagree, strongly agree, and agree. Question will be given to Class D English student class of 2020 at Siliwangi University. In analyzing the data, the researcher will use the formula using a survey formula by describing the data that has been collected from the questions to find out the increase in vocabulary using the electronic dictionary. The descriptive statistics include measurements of frequencies, percentage, means, and standard deviations. Well, that's all I can say. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.